Welcome to Bollywood Gallery. We are introducing former prominent Indian politician Indira Gandhi's family. Indira Gandhi was a prominent Indian politician. She was a member of the Indian National Congress and also served as the president of the party. Indira Priyadarshini Nehru was born in a Kashmiri Pandit family on 19th November 1917 in Allahabad, United Province of Agra and Oudh, British India. Her father, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was the first Prime Minister of India. Her mother was Kamla Nehru. She had one brother but died in his infancy. Her grandfather, Motilal Nehru, was an activist of Indian independence movement. While she was studying in England, she used to make visits to her future husband, Firoz Gandhi. She knew him from Allahabad. At that time, Firoz Gandhi was studying at the London School of Economics. Gradually they fell in love and decided to get married. The marriage took place in Allahabad in 1942. Their first son, Rajiv Gandhi, was born in 1944. Rajiv Gandhi would later become the Prime Minister of India and was assassinated in 1991. Her second son, Sanjay Gandhi, was born in 1947. Sanjay Gandhi died in a plane crash in 1980. Sonia Gandhi and Menaka Gandhi are her daughter-in-law. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and Varun Gandhi are her grandchildren. Robert Vadra is her grandson-in-law. In the 1950s, Indira served as the assistant of the Prime Minister of India, then her father, Jawaharlal Nehru, unofficially. In the late 1950s, she became the president of the Indian National Congress. She was instrumental in dismissing communist-led Kerala government in 1959. After the demise of her father in 1964, she was appointed as the member of Rajya Sabha and was made the Minister of Information and Broadcasting in Lal Bahadur Shastri's government. After the death of Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1966, the members of the Congress party elected Indira Gandhi as their leader over Morarji Desai. K. Kamaraj played a key role in making Indira Gandhi as the leader of the Indian National Congress. In the 1967 general elections, the Indian National Congress won the elections and Indira Gandhi was elected to the Lok Sabha from Raebareli constituency. Her first term as the Prime Minister was highly criticized as she was referred to as Gungi Gudiya, a Hindi word for dumb doll, as she was under the control of party's bosses. Her first term faced major problems such as the devaluation of rupee and the import of wheat from the United States fell through due to her political disputes. In 1977, the general elections were held and the Indian National Congress lost the election for the first time. Morarji Desai of the Janata Party became the Prime Minister. However, his government only lasted for not more than 3 years as he resigned from the post. In the 1980s general elections, the Indian National Congress again won the majority and Indira Gandhi was elected the Prime Minister. On 31st October 1984, in the act of vengeance, she was assassinated by her Sikh bodyguards Satwant Singh and Beyant Singh while she was delivering her last speech in Orissa. At the time of death, she was 66 years old. So friends, if you want to watch your favorite celebrities video, comment below and don't forget to subscribe Bollywood Gallery.